Alright, 1 week later, 2 weeks later, Saturday will be 2 weeks. So I bought this clutch cover protector. It came in a kit with 4 different protectors. It says this is carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's carbon fiber. It feels more like black ABS plastic that was dipped in carbon fiber and then clear coated over. If it's carbon fiber, I'd be very surprised, hugely surprised. One of the things that I don't like about it, the brake pedal hits it. So I'm not a fan of that. Not a huge fan at all. The black brake pedal, pedal. I was going to say lever, but it is definitely a pedal. So the black one came off of a 1198. In case you're wondering why I have black, I thought black would look pretty cool on there, and I think it does. My panel, it was all jacked up here. My paint guy, Brian Davenport, on US 129 north of Blairsville, Georgia, does an amazing job with paint. So look him up if you're in the area and you need amazing paint work done. I did do the carbon fiber belly pan on the bottom. I've got the new upper. This is the Chinese upper, and everything kind of sort of lined up pretty good. The seams are okay. With the carbon fiber, the seams aren't okay, but it's to be expected, right? New Superbike soft grips. My headlight's fine. I already showed you in another video that the gap's not great here. I don't like the red underneath there. Not a fan of that. I have new black levers coming. I'm still up in the air whether I replace this turn signal. Still in the air. I have an eBay ongoing search, so if a good right mirror pops up, I might buy one if it's cheap enough. I also have an ongoing search for the right pedal, so if one of those pops up, I'm going to jump on it and get a new right pedal. I'm not sure why I have a left one. I've got a brand new left one, but not a right one. The other side's the old side. It did get a new grip over here. I do have heated grips on here if you guys are wondering, and I put my heated grip switch is right there. I've covered up some of the ugly carbon fiber with some EBC brakes and Galfer USA stickers. My left side looks good. It's untouched. If it's not raining tomorrow, I'm going to go take this thing for a test ride, just a little short one around the block. But it looks pretty good. I can't wait to see it outside in the daylight and see if all the colors mesh up good together. But that's it. 2 weeks. Saturday will be 2 weeks exactly that I threw this thing down on the pavement. So not a bad turnaround. I will say this came from China. This came from Idaho. And they both were in my mailbox today. Who would have thought that a piece from China would come so quick? But yeah. But anyway, it looks good again. Can't wait to ride it. Thanks for watching.